Hi guys, my name is Aya Mazen. Today we will do a game called Gesture Apple Hunter. First, we will start with the backdrop. Let's press on choose backdrop and choose the blue sky backdrop. And then choose the costumes. We are going to use, choose the sprite. So we are going to use the apple costume and the apple sprite and the monkey sprite. So let's try here monkey. And now let's resize them. So let's, for the monkey, we will make it 60. But for the apple, we will make it 50. Now, we want the game. How will be the game? The apple will fall from the top to the bottom. And it will appear at a random place at the top. The sprite or the monkey will try to catch it depending on the movement of our hand. So we will need the monkey to follow our hand movement. So we will use the extension pose net. So let's get started. Let's start with the monkey. Let's create or load the extension in the in our project. So let's start by hand equal pose POS pose net. Then let's delete this extra part. We don't need it. And then after that, let's create or adjust the camera. So let's say hand dot video. The video will be on and comma, but stop quote, and the transparency will be 0.65. And then let's also display the landscape of the hand. So how can we do this? By hand dot enable box. After that, we want all the time of the game. So all the following code will be written in or inside the loop, while loop. What should happen for the while true loop? So what we are going to say, first thing, we will say analyze hand dot analyze hand, then if is hand dot is hand detected. What should happen if the hand will be detected? Column, don't forget the column, say make the sprite, the position of the monkey sprite dot set x equals what? Sorry, open two parentheses and hand dot get hand position. And for the x position of the finger, index finger, for the x it will be 1, the first parameter. The second parameter will be 8 as the top of the index of the or the top of the index button is 8. But for the y, sprite dot y equal 1 minus 150. Let's make it 150. So the sprite all the time it's y place. Its y place will y position will be minus 150. And then after that, we want when the monkey will touch the apple, we want the apple to disappear, or we want the chopping sound will appear. So we will say if. Make sure that you are writing it outside the if, the first F. So after that, we will say if sprite dot is touching what? The apple. Make sure that you are writing the name the same as the name of the apple sprite in the screen. So if touching the apple, what should we do? We should play the sound sprite dot play until done. Which sound? The chom sound. And let's revise. Okay, so we are done of the sprite code. So let's move to the Apple code. So let's start with the Apple. We need the Apple to move from different places, or to start appearing from different places. So let's start by writing. At first, we need to delete all the previous apples on the screen. So sprite dot height. Then let's create a function that will order the apple to appear randomly on the screen. So let's say let's start with the first thing. Let's summarize together what we need to do. We need to create a copy each time from the apple. So how can we create a copy? By sprite dot create clone. So we created the clone. Let's make it appear dot show. Then let's randomize its place. So let's write import random. Then create a variable to store inside it the random number. So say random dot rand int, and the borders of this number will be minus 250 to 250. And after that, let's specify the place where the apple will appear. So let's write sprite dot go to x and y. The x will be the number the random number we created. Y will be the same place as it now, 170. And after that, let's call the function fall to be executed. And after that, all the time of the execution of the game, so it will be written in while true function. Then if sprite dot is touching the apple, the monkey. We wrote this part in the other side, but we can do it one more time to let it appear again, touching the monkey. Write sprite dot control Z sprite dot height. Then call the function fall to appear again, and also if sprite dot y equal minus 100. Let's try first. It's 170. Let's make it minus 160. And here let's move it down. So sprite dot change y minus 5 steps. So here by subtracting 5 each time, so one of the times y will be minus 160. So what should happen? The sprite should disappear, dot 5, and after that call another function. So let's try it. Let's run all the activity. Okay, here is my hand. Okay, it's disappearing. Okay, the sound is working also. Okay, I think I'm sharing the sound again. Great. It's working now. And the game is done. I hope that you enjoyed the game. And see you next time, inshallah.